to make your AI character sing with emotions, facial expression, and everything. Something like this.
Maintain, no Lord don't bless us. Stress far away.
So yeah, today I'll be teaching you how to actually make your AI characters sing with emotions. If you want them to cry or whatever, you can start this with a channel or a gospel channel or just a normal channel, okay? Like a TikTok channel or a YouTube channel. So I'll be teaching you how to get these songs, okay? For those of you who will be using the YouTube, I'll teach you how to get songs without copyright. For those of you who will be using it on TikTok, it's okay. I'll be teaching you how to get songs without copyright or how to get your own original song. If you want to get your original song, I'll teach you how to get the original song or how to get any kind of song to input into this AI character to sing with emotions for your channel. This is good for faceless channels, new content creators. You can actually start this and start earning money, but make sure you're using music that has no copyright. So you can actually go to the YouTube studio and download any good music from there, and you use this music for your YouTube channel. But if not, you can use any music on TikTok or on Instagram and you're good to go. So let's go. Let me show you how to do this. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to share. Let's go into the tutorial.
Okay, guys, the first thing that we are supposed to do is to get our character. So I'll open ChatGPT now to get character, okay? So this is my ChatGPT, and I'll put here. You can use any image tool of your choice. Let me just paste my prompt because I don't want to waste your time. But this is the prompt here, please. I will make sure I give you a chance to screenshot it. So I'll actually just click here on generate. This is the prompt. Please, you can screenshot, okay? Screenshot the prompt, then you repurpose it to yours anyhow you want it. So I will first generate our image because it's very important to generate image. And please, if you're generating your image, make sure your character, you tell in your prompt, make sure you mention that you want your character to face the camera, okay? So your character needs to face the camera because it's very, very important. If not, you actually find it difficult for your AI to actually have like the lip sync very perfectly. So once our image is done generating, I'll just ask ChatGPT to create us a small music. Now you can actually go to TikTok and download music that you like, okay? But since I'm very scared, I don't want copyright for my videos on YouTube, I'll just create my own music. Okay, so this is our character. I'll save. So save that. Very beautiful character. So yeah, I'll just say, give me lyrics. I'll just say, give me lyrics. Give me lyrics for a short celebration song, okay? Let's use celebration. For a short celebration song, African style. African style. Let me say Nigerian style because African style go give us something, I don't know. Nigerian style, okay. So this is it. I'll just click here on generate again. All right. And we wait for ChatGPT to give us something good, you know, and then we'll go take it and generate. Hey. Now today we did jelly, oh Jesus. Okay, this is funny because why would they even give me in a different language? Okay, let's just copy. Okay, let's go. I'll copy this, just a short verse because yeah, copy. This is just for those who want to learn how to do the music thing anyways. So I'll just copy this anyways. No hard thing. I'll copy here. And I'll go straight to the AI tool to make this music. I don't want to waste time today because me, myself, I don't have strength. Okay, so let's go to Suno AI. I'll be using Suno AI. Please, you can use the Minimax music version as well because Minimax have music. But if you don't want to go through this process, like I said, go to the YouTube studio and download free music from there, or you go to TikTok and download. Now I'll click here where it says calming, describe your song. I'll click there and I'll paste that prompt that I just copied. Okay, so there. Now I'll click on done and I'll click here on create. Now you can actually choose here. You see audio, you see lyrics. You can choose audio if you want. You see here, which means you have to upload your audio for them to be able to do it for you, or you use your voice. So when you say, bro, if you use your voice in your song, right? But we have our prompt, so I'll just click there and I'll click on generate, and then we'll wait for the song to generate. Okay, so this is the song already getting ready. So we'll just wait, and they're giving us different styles. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. They're giving different styles that we can actually check and then choose which one goes. So at this point, our song is ready, and they've given us, you can see they actually gave 2 free versions. For those of you who always say Suno is not free, Suno is free, you can see they gave us 2 free versions and then the upgraded version if at all. Okay, so what I'll do is I'll click and download my music. So we have this one. that's a female voice, and that's for female voice. So actually, if you're creating your music, always mention female voice or male voice. So the first prompt I actually dropped, I just dropped the prompt without specifying that I wanted for a female voice. Okay, so yeah, that's it. And I'll download my music now, and then let's go make our AI sing this song, okay, because it's gonna be fun. Let's download and go. So come down here and click on download, and then download video, or you can download MP3, but I'll be download. So I downloaded the MP3, that's it. So like you see, they'll ask you to upgrade, but you can click on download anyways, and you download, okay? No hard thing. So let's go and create our AI character to sing this song, okay? I'll definitely come down here, and I make sure I save this song to draft because I don't want to forget it. So yeah, so we have it here, saved, and it's going to my file and it's safe. So let me just put it like that. Okay, Olua celebration, it is safe. Now done. All right, let's go to the next tool to do the lip sync, guys. So the next tool that we'll be using today will be Hedra AI. Why I am using Hedra AI? Because this is like one of the simplest tools to use, and it's actually easy. So you come to Hedra AI, it looks like this. I'll put it in the comment section and I'll put it in the description box. This is how it looks like. You just need to register with your email and you get started. Okay, let's click on talking videos. Once you click on talking videos, these are videos that I generated anyways, but once you click on talking videos, up here you can see at start frame, you can see at speech. Okay, then you come down here, it says describe the action of the character. Press the tab, and then you go. Okay, this is it now. First thing that I'll do is I'll click here on the plus button where it says at frame. You guys always say she's not putting points, but I'm reading. So you can see on the screen at start frame. Okay, I'll click on the at start frame, then I'll click on upload, then I'll take a photo from my gallery and I'll bring the photo in. All right, so we have this photo, I'll bring in this photo, right? Yeah, let's bring in this. Let me see, I'll choose this one. Okay, so we have the start photo like that. The second one, they say at speech. Okay, I'll now go to the upload button here by the side, and I'll go to the music that I took. That is the music. So the music automatically came up here, but what I'll do is I'll edit this music because it's super long. Okay, so all right, so what I'll do is I'll click there, the three buttons by the side, click on it, then they say trim audio, so I'll click on trim audio. Okay, so I'll reduce that here, the start of it. Let's take it off a little bit. Okay, so I'll trim from there and come the back. Let's take it a little bit further. So this is what I'll just do. I'm just teaching you guys how you can actually trim your own song, okay, not to be too long. So I'm looking here, you can see 38 seconds. It looks small during the trimming, but it's actually still long. Do you get? So let me trim that. Okay, and see, I have 14 seconds. So we have our song ready, right? Our song is ready. So here they say describe action of the character. So we'll come here. That is where we describe the action of the character. So here, first off, you need to be, I don't know, what you want. So what I'll actually say here is, before I even write, I'll come here and choose my character, like select speaker, because these people, let me just choose her face, So there you go. Select, confirm, because she's the only person there as well. So yeah, I'll put it like that. Now I'll come down here where you see 19.16. Make sure our dimension is 19.16. Okay, aspect ratio, let it be 19.16, because if not, our character, it will actually cut off the character's head. So we have it at 19.16. So what I'll do now is I'll say make the character. So make the character lip sync. Make the character lip sync the audio. Make the character lip sync the audio naturally with a happy emotion. Happy emotion on her face. And yeah, that's it. So after we do this, I'll click here on generate. You can see generate up here, this button just below right down here, you see generate. Then I'll click on the generate, and that's it. Up there you can see 1% going, and we'll wait for it to generate. Now these are videos you can actually use to start up a channel. Okay, see that lady, you hear her sing? She was singing like Yomi Alade. The voice is good, everything makes sense. Just use this and start up a channel, a YouTube channel, a TikTok account, Instagram. You still earn money. Okay, you make money from your views from YouTube. All right. Now I'll be writing everything in the description box, the prompt that I use. Like you can see this one, make the character lip sync. You can just copy it. Okay, you can screenshot and then copy later. Then again, for the prompt that we use to generate this image, let me go again and sample it on the screen so you can copy for those who want to copy. So this is the prompt that I did. Please copy the prompt. It got us this image. So a little bit, few minutes, copy the prompt. Now this is the prompt I asked for the lyrics. I said, give me a short celebration song, Nigerian style. Okay, that was it. And then they gave me the song. So basically the prompting is just easy. You don't need to do too much. And here you can see more street Afro beats. They could give you more gospel celebration songs, you know, kids version, wedding birthdays. You know, they had different options to give you, but I did not just want to waste your time. I wanted to do fast, then come back and explain. Okay, so yeah, now when our music is done, we check out if the thing is good, and then we move on, because it's AI. Like I always say, let nobody tell you I did my first trial and it was perfect. You can do your first trial, it goes, and the second, okay, it doesn't go, right? Yeah, so we wait for it to generate. We check it out. If there's correction, I'll show you guys the correction to do and how to correct it, so you don't get confused or you don't get frustrated if you're doing yours and it's not working out. All right, so yeah, comment in the comment section the next AI tool you want me to review for you, and I'll definitely do it sharp, of course, because why not? Yeah, so yeah, while we are waiting for the video to generate. Okay, so at this point our music is ready. All right, let's check it out. Okay, no fear. All right, let's see.
We hustle, we pray.
Okay,
Now we popping.
so it is good. I like it, right? It's actually very good, and it's smooth. It's very smooth as well. So you can use it to start up your channel, create your channel, and you know, do whatever you want to do. This looks so good to me and I love it. Okay, so yeah, easy peasy lemon squeezy. So guys, comment in the comment section what you want, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye. And please, if you want to download, for those, click on here and click on download. Okay, that's where you click on and click download, then you click on save to your phone, because some people will get confused and be like, where can I download? This is where you can download, and then you go straight to your file. Okay, so yeah, easy peasy.